In ME8711 Simulation and Analysis Laboratory, now we are going to see the stress analysis of a flat plate with a hole. The length and the height are 300 and 100 mm. The thickness is 30 mm. The circular hole is at the center and the diameter of the circle is 40 mm. Now I am going to open the ANSYS GA window. First I am going to set the preferences as structural. Next I am going to define the preprocessor, in which I am going to define the element type, add or delete, add, select the solid and quadrilateral floor node as the element type, click close. Next I am going to define the metal properties, in which I am going to define the metal model. Click structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The Young's modulus is 2.1 E5 and the Poisson's ratio is 0.3. Here we can see the value here. Close it. Now I am going to section it. So in modeling, click create. I am going to just create the areas now. So go to areas, rectangle, by dimensions I am going to define. So the dimension is x-axis, x1 is 0 and x2 is 300. Likewise y1 is 0 and y2 is 100. So click OK. Now the rectangle is created now. Now I am going to create a solid circle at the center. So click circle, solid circle. The x and y values are 150 and 50. The radius is actually 20. So click OK. Now you can see the circle that has been created. Now I am going to subtract this circle from this rectangle. So go to operate and in that boolean select subtract and which select the areas. Now click the rectangle. It will be asking whether this area or the other area is to be selected. I want to select the rectangle, so click OK. And now click OK here. The first rectangle has been selected now. Now I want the circle to be selected now. So click the rectangle. It will be asking which area to be selected, but I want the circle now. So click next. Now the circle has been selected. Click OK. And here also click OK. Now the circle is subtracted. Now I am going to establish the finite element model of it. So go to meshing and mesh tool. And I am going to set the attributes. So click areas, set, and now select this rectangle and click OK. It will be asking the edge length. I am going to give it as 10 now. Click OK. Now the attributes has been set, but I have to mesh it. So again go to the mesh tool and click mesh. Now select the rectangle and click OK. So now the finite element model has been created. So the first phase, that is a preprocessor, has been now completed. I am going to the second phase, that is the solution phase, in which I am going to define the constraints and also the load. So go to solution, define loads, apply displacement on lines. Now select the circle now and click OK, and in that select all degrees of freedom. Next go to pressure, in which select on lines. Select the left and the right lines now. Click OK. It will be asking us to give the value in constant. I am going to give it as 100 now. Now click OK. Now the load has been applied now. Now I am going to solve it. Go to solve, current load step. Click OK. Now the solution is done. So the second phase is now completed. I am going to the third phase, that is a post-processor. So click general post-processor. Deformed plus undeformed shape I am going to have it now. So this is a undeformed and the blue is going to be the deformed one. Next I am going to have the stress for it, stress plot for it. Now go to contour plot, in which select nodal solution. Always I am going to have the one measure stress, which is a failure stress. So select one measures and click OK. Now we can see the stress distribution now. So this is how we have to do the stress analysis of a flat plate with a hole. Thank you.